Let's make matcha with tools that you probably have in the kitchen. Except the whisk, I have the bamboo whisk for matcha making called chasen. If you don't have this, just use the little metal whisk. That works too. I have Japanese confection yokan with the cherry blossom, pickled cherry blossom for the season. I have the matcha green tea, organic from Kagoshima, my hometown in Japan. You can fold it into any shape, but this is what we usually do. Hot water. Let's warm the cup first. This is just a soup bowl I have, not the matcha bowl. You need about this size, so the whisk like this size is easy to make. And warm the cup. Just discard the water. And I'm gonna wipe it. You can just wipe it as however you like. This is what we usually do. Make sure it's dry. It's about usually smaller chashaku, the spoon we use, the bamboo one. So I'll just do 2 light scoops. It's about less half teaspoon. If you want the thicker one, you can go a little more. You're gonna put the hot water, about half cup. If you use a hot water, you will have a bitter tea. If you have mild bitterness, go lower temperature and slowly pour. About this much. And it's not a circle, I usually do straight. If you want foamy, you can go longer. Smells nice. So I made a little foamy one. Itadakimasu. So you can just drink it as an informal way, or we can bow, turn twice, 45 degrees, 45 degrees, and you can have your matcha. Bon appétit.